There we go.
All right.
That's what we're talking about right there. Oh, shucky ducky. Well, I gotta test it out and learn it, make sure she's up for the job of unloading our precious import tomorrow. I'm just testing it out, see what it's like to lift something. Like 5 years ago, someone stole the wheels off of that van, so we didn't want to drag it around and create ruts everywhere. Now it's not a problem. Now I can finally move it somewhere where people can use it as cover. Oh, yeah, okay. Don't be on your cell phone and drive heavy machinery. I am a little close to this wall and these trees. And this is worse. Woo! Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna set it right here. Fix something that's been bugging me for a long time. That guy's been crooked for forever, as you can see from the aerial shots. And we didn't have anything big enough to, you know, correct it. But now I do. So I'll just nudge it over. Probably don't need to, but I'm gonna put these bad boys down. Woo! Get right under her. If this works, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh, easy as pie. That's so easy. I think it's straight. Being safe. How's she looking? Look at how crooked she was. Now I'm gonna lift this baby girl back up. Woo! And I'm gonna set her down right here so that the Escher building's second floor has a bigger problem to deal with than it normally does. And she'll do the job just fine. It's gonna be great.
Ballahack Airsoft.